Right. The other nice thing about this integration piece, so watch what happens if you come back into SolidWorks. And so here's my overall part. And if I go back to my sketch, and what if I change my sketch and I say, you know what, I really didn't want this circle right here. I'm just going to delete that. Delete that circle. So let me come in here and edit my sketch. So edit sketch. And find my circle. Click on that. And delete that. So it's gone. And update that. So this hole stays. All right. That's fine. And I'll save it. And now let's go back to ANSYS Workbench. And if we come here to geometry, let's right click. And you'll see this in a couple of different places, so I just want to make sure we try these. So we're going to update from CAD, because we updated it and we saved it, so now it should be updating into the model. So let's see what happens when we go back into our modeling software after it's updated here. Oh, look at that. So I got a bunch of lightning bolts here. So it says, okay, something has changed, so you need to rerun your model to update. So we'll go in here to model. Needs to be upstream data needs to be reread. Would you like to read the upstream data? Yep, because we updated our geometry. So wait for it to start up mechanical, ANSYS Mechanical again. All right, so there we are with our hole there, and let's zoom so we can see the side there. All right, so we just have to rerun this, solve this again. And look at our equivalent stress there. All right, so now we see a max stress shown up here, a little bit higher than it was the previous time at 6,600. All right, so you can save this and do that. Another thing I just want to show you here, there's another update option here in part 5 where you can make sure I get the right spot here. It's right there. Yeah, so you can update geometry from source there as well. And let's just see if that works as expected here. So we'll come back in here, edit our sketch. Let's delete the other circle and confirm that. And save it. And come back in the design modeler and see if we can get that to update from source. All right, looks good. So yeah, so now you can just stay in ANSYS Mechanical, go back to SolidWorks real quick, make a design update, and come back into ANSYS really quickly. So that's kind of the nice piece of that integration. All right. And some of that might not even need the piece that this piece here. I think it'll still work, but if you just had this block and brought in your geometry right here. All right, so hopefully that gives you an idea of how to create and analyze your own model in SolidWorks and analyze it in ANSYS Workbench. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I hope to see you at the next presentation. Thanks.